Dementia Prevention Lesson 3. What can we do to prevent dementia? Dementia is a syndrome, not a specific disease. It's a collection of symptoms that we associate with a decline in cognitive function or abilities. Specifically in our memory, thinking, reasoning, judgment, language, and our ability to learn new things. And the one thing that we know causes dementia is the loss of neurons, specifically in the cerebral cortex, which is the outer layer of our brain. There are two types of memory that we need to understand. There's short-term memory and there's long-term memory. Short-term memory is like the things that you're going to remember for a few minutes to an hour or so. Like, what did you have for breakfast this morning? Or what did you do last weekend? These are things that you're going to remember for a very short period of time. Long-term memory is things that you remember for years or decades. Like, where did you go on your honeymoon? Or who was your best friend in school? These are memories that are stored in the cerebral cortex. And these memories actually help to maintain the strength and the connections between the neurons in the cerebral cortex. So what happens when we start losing these memories? When we lose our short-term memory, we start losing our long-term memory as well, because there's no new memories being formed to maintain the strength of those connections. So what we need to do is strengthen the existing neurons that we have and then maintain that stimulation so that those neurons stay strong and we don't lose them. You've probably heard the term use it or lose it when it comes to your memory. Well, that's true, but it's actually more accurate to say that you strengthen it or lose it. And how do we strengthen our memory? We strengthen our memory by learning new things. This could be learning a new language, learning to play an instrument, taking a class, reading a book, having stimulating conversations with other people. These are all things that challenge our brains and help us to form new memories, which then in turn strengthens our existing neurons. Once we've strengthened those neurons, we want to make sure that we keep them strong. And we do that by continuing to stimulate them. So if you stop using your memory, you will lose it. You stop using your brain power, your neurons will start to die. But if you keep using your brain and you keep challenging yourself, your neurons will stay alive. So when we think about preventing dementia, it's really about strengthening and maintaining the neurons that we have. And we do that by keeping our brains active, engaged, and learning new things. So keep your brain sharp, and you will keep your mind sharp as well. If you found this video helpful, please like and share it with your friends. Also remember to like and subscribe to my channel so that you can be notified on all my new postings. Many more new lessons to follow. Thanks for watching. See you next time.